Here's the question. Is there an option on Quora that you can search your own questions instead of scrolling through your list? Let me show you what this person is talking about and show you how to search your own questions on Quora. So here I am on Quora. I can go to my profile right here, and here's my questions. And I don't really ask a lot of questions on Quora. I mostly answer a lot of questions on Quora. But how do you search for your own questions? So you go up here to the search bar. I can type in any word I want. LinkedIn. Search for LinkedIn. So you can actually see it in the URL that this is, the query is about the word LinkedIn. The type of content are questions. And my author ID is that number right there. So all of this content you see in here are questions that I have asked either directly as Teddy Burriss or in my Quora space called LinkedIn Professionals. And you'll also notice that every now and then Quora sticks in another question that it wants me to answer. But this is how you find the questions that you've asked on Quora, and you can refine this even further by time, and also you can refine it by type if you want to find more than just questions. I'm Teddy, your Quora contributor. I hope this is helpful for you.